Hey, so if you want to create interactive slides in Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you step by step so your presentations are engaging and keep your audience actively involved. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, open a new presentation or an existing one, and you'll see all your slides in the editor view. Start by designing your slides with clear headings, concise text, and relevant visuals. Keep the layout clean so interactive elements stand out and don't confuse viewers. Next, add links or buttons for navigation. You can link text, shapes, or images to other slides in your presentation. This allows viewers to jump to specific sections like a menu or Q&A, creating a nonlinear interactive experience. You can also embed videos or audio into your slides. Go to Insert, Video, or Insert is Audio, and select files from YouTube, Drive, or your computer. Multimedia content keeps learners or viewers engaged and adds depth to your presentation. Use interactive quizzes or polls by linking to Google Forms. Create a form with questions, copy the link, and embed it in your slide. Participants can answer directly, making your slides more dynamic and engaging. Leverage animations and transitions carefully. Animate key points to appear on click or hover, which allows control over pacing and emphasizes important information without overwhelming your audience. Finally, test your interactive slides in present mode. Click links, play media, and ensure navigation works smoothly. Adjust any elements that don't respond as expected. And that's it. By adding links, multimedia, forms, and thoughtful animations, you can make Google Slides interactive, engaging, and effective for teaching, presentations, or online content. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with colleagues or students, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah,